Welcome to the lesson. Check the description box below in your YouTube player for tabs and backing tracks on my website, information about the sound tools I'm using today, and links to other goodies via my Patreon page. Continuing. If we got an E chord, you can build a structure of harmonized sixes off of the open E up top and the G sharp there. I'm going to be hybrid picking. Let's first look at a simple way. We got the 1 and the 0. Leave that B string alone. And we're going to come in with middle finger on the 2, ring finger on the 3, ring finger also on the 2. Move forward to 4 and 4. That's basic. Do not. I highly recommend against this because it makes all these other fingers into garbage. I always keep my middle finger on the inside. Now, the Memphis trick, or I guess, sorry, Nashville trick, or Memphis, is first we get a chromatic extra in there, the 3 and 3, which is interesting. That's the flat 5 and the flat 3 of the key. Now, here's the trick. You know, that would be cool. But what makes, you know, one of the many cool, crazy country tricks is if you hop back and forth in a syncopated way. Let's look at that again. Wait, I gotta remember the lick, sorry. Is that what I did? That's what I did, sorry, spacing out. So that gives you a lot more notes then. By doing 1, gives you so much more. By the way, slow down gears in YouTube, 3/4 speed. Down there or up there on a tablet. Arrows go forward and back 5 seconds. Spacebar pauses, great way to work. That's the lick. You can see the hybrid picking happening there. And then I'm just going to do the same thing too. Off of this structure, I'm spotting an A chord. I'm like, oh, hello. And same lick, so, you know, that's, again, on the inside, 6 and 5. 7 and 7, let's go to 9s. Do the chromatic. All right, cool. That was the 4 chord. Where's the 5 in the key? Oh, look, it's a B. Same guy. So there I am going into that. You know, what was that? 8 and 7. 9 and 9. 11 and 11. Back it up. Huge, cool trick for like, hey, look, I can do country guitar. And then I need to do some kind of Chet Atkins. More like Jeff Atkins. Okay. And then I'm just doing some kind of, yeah, here's my E again. Yeah. I think I do both. Back it up to what's really a D, so that's 13 and 12. 11 and 10, and then 9, and get that 12 there, which is kind of a stank, because that's the 6th of the key to the flat third, which is pretty cool. And then a blues run, so it's like country, blues, which is out of our E pentatonic minor off of this guy here. What is that? 9. Let go back to 7, and then chromatic walk down on that D string. 9, 8, 7, 5. Pretty cool. Maybe put a little bend on it to make it gross. And then yeah, an E. What's really just kind of an A, really just grabbing the 2 and 2 on the G and the B. And then yeah, I think I did that. I go hybrid picked. And just a boom, boom, boom. And then I just do the same trick an octave lower. So if this is E, here's actually my 6s here. Again, a 6 is not only a chord. It's a way to deal with a scale. You take 2 notes and they're 6th apart from each other. A little chromatic walk up into that. 2, 3, 4. Pop that E up there, that 2. There it is off of the lower side. There we go with a 5 and 4. And then a 7 and 6, chromatically back. There he is. And then we're going to do the same thing. Here's A. Yeah. All right, where's my flat third? There she blows. 3, 4, pop that 2 up there. And then, yeah, 5 and 4, 7 and 6, chromatic back. And I'm like, okay, if that was A, here's B. There's the B, you know, because, yeah, I guess that's the way these 6 inversions always work is the melody is actually up there, the harmony is the low note. So, chromatically 5 to 6. There we go with a 7 and a 6. And there we go with a, what is that there? That is a 9 and 8. Chromatically back. Let's look at that holder on. Here's the B. And then, that's just an E note. That's our 9th fret there of our G string. And then a rockabilly. That's one of those crossover blues with, let's see, yeah, blues with a little bit of major thrown in. 03001. That's a little weird. Yeah, very Brian Setzer. So 030. Flat third to the major third, but then blues. 20210, flat third to the major third, 340, and then I don't remember why I picked this chord up. Maybe Brian Setzer. This is an E9. Is it Brian Setzer or James Burton? I don't know where I got this. 11, 12, 11, open, 12. It makes a giant E9 chord. It's a beautiful chord. There you go. 6s are eternally like this area of mystery. I frequently get comments like, I don't see a 6th chord. What is a 6th? How does a 6th work? I don't get it. I keep trying to teach them. So you'll see me keep putting out videos that involve 6s in some ways. To review, if you have a melody note, a 6th, as we're referring to it here, is actually below. It's 6 notes below in the scale that you're moving through, and you're just moving them in a parallel way. Now in this scenario, There's also like a Nashville trick where instead of just going clunk, 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 you're going to get more notes out of it. These are technical terms. Very much do it slow and clean. Don't rush through it to get the most out of it. That's kind of true always. If you watch the end of all my videos, that's always what I say. Good luck.